In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically delete horizontal lines on MetaTrader 5 desktop. First, a quick heads up about how MT5 works. There isn't a built-in feature that constantly removes horizontal lines the moment they appear. Instead, you'll either clear them manually when you need to, or use a small script that performs a one-time cleanup. I'll walk you through both approaches so you can pick what fits your workflow. If you just want to quickly wipe the lines from a chart, the fastest method is to remove all drawn objects at once. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Objects, then Objects List. You can also press Ctrl+B to open that window right away. In the Objects list, press Ctrl+A to select everything you've drawn on the chart. Then click Delete. This instantly removes all objects, including horizontal lines. It's simple and reliable, especially when a chart is cluttered. Keep in mind, though, this action deletes every drawing on that chart: trend lines, rectangles, text, everything. If you rely on other annotations, consider whether you want to clear the whole set before you proceed, or take a moment to reapply any important markings afterward. If you'd rather remove only the horizontal lines and leave other objects intact, use a script. In MT5, a script is a small, one-time tool that performs a specific action on the chart you drop it onto. Many MT5 users share scripts with names like delete all horizontal lines. After you download one, place it where MT5 expects scripts to live. In the platform, go to File, then Open Data folder, open the MQL5 folder, and then the Scripts folder. Put the script file in there. Next, refresh the navigator so MT5 recognizes it. You can press Ctrl+N to open the navigator panel, then right-click inside it and choose Refresh. You'll see your script under Scripts in the navigator. Drag it onto the chart you want to clean, and it will remove horizontal lines without touching other objects. Remember, MT5 doesn't include this type of script by default, so you'll need to find one from a trusted source or create your own in MQL5. Also note that scripts run on the chart you drop them onto, so repeat the action on any other charts where you want lines removed. To wrap up, MT5 can't continually auto-delete horizontal lines, but you can clear them fast either by removing all objects or by running a targeted script that deletes only those lines. Use whichever method matches your current task.